How to extend video duration in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to extend the video duration, first of all launch the Capcut application on your device and select a project on Capcut. As you can see on the screen, I've already selected a project. So you can see the duration of the video is 57 seconds. So let me just split the video over here. So let me just cut out the video for now. So let's split it and then delete this. So let's delete the ending over here as well. So now you can see the video is 51 seconds. Now if you want to extend it, what you can simply do is tap on the video and drag this list over here until the very end. So it will take up to the original duration or original length of the video. That's it. You do not get the ability to extend the video duration other than the original duration or original length. You can simply add the video or just add another video to extend the video, but other than that you'll not be able to strengthen the length. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.